Welcome back to Business 101.
So now I would like to look at how to spot trends, because of course in the other video I made I talked about trends at 3 different levels, but how do we then actually spot them? That's quite important. Google of course also have a tool which we can use here. Now I'm just going to go into Google Trends here. Now here we can see everything which has been searched on Google and what's been trending in 2019. Now we can divide it into countries, or we can just go global. Now here we can now see what searches that have been made, news, people which have been searched on, movies, athletes, actors, all these things. We can also move on and see what was just been searched on the last few days. Now this is of course the United States. Here we can pick any country we then choose. Again we can see here what's been searched in Vietnam here on Monday the 9th. We can also go to look at what is actually been searched the last months, and then look at what is then maybe the most searched. We can look at coronavirus, just to take something which is very updated right now, and we can see okay, it's actually got a very sharp increase here. Now of course the interest by region, well, a lot of people are looking out for it in Italy, especially right now. But let's compare it to how many people are looking at the NBA league and see how does that then fit. Now we can see that, well, in Italy they're definitely more concerned about the coronavirus than they are about the NBA. We can also see on this map here that there are places in the world where they're actually more concerned about the NBA than they are about the coronavirus. In Brazil it's 50-50. United States 35% are looking at the coronavirus, 65% on NBA. Saudi Arabia, Australia, a lot of countries here where they're searching more for NBA than they're searching on coronavirus. We can also take something which might be something which most of us would think would be important. Let's see, environmental change or climate. Let's check climate as a topic. As you can see, climate is not as hot a topic as the coronavirus right now, but it's being searched more on than the NBA. We can also see up here that in Italy it's the coronavirus which is still the most important. We can then change and say, okay, where is it actually climate? Now Argentina, Mexico, Thailand, Brazil, Chile, it's climate. Climate is the most important between these 3, coronavirus, NBA. We can also see if we're changing it to NBA, you see that the Philippines, they don't seem to be that interested in the coronavirus or the climate, but very interested in the NBA. Dominican Republic, a little bit more climate, but as a company, these information can be quite important to you, because we can here, using Google Trends, see what is trending within countries, within regions, within the world, and we can compare different trends within different areas. So it's a really good tool to spot trends and to see how they're developing.
Of course, you have to look at the topics fitting your company, but that, of course, goes without saying. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you back again soon. Bye.